What's going on, guys? It's Master Chris 86 back again for another video, and today we are taking a look at my RoccoW Pandem V3 body kit. Yes, the 5 things that I hate about the body kit. No, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, what, you hate the kit? No, I don't hate the body kit at all. Trust me, I love the kit. But there are a few issues that I've had and a couple of things that irk me, so let's go outside and let's take a look. Alright, so we got the car out here. Now, let me correct myself real quick. So it's not really the kit per se that I have these 5 issues with. It's kind of like the entirety of the car and my build. But a few of these things definitely could be corrected if I made better choices, one of which being different wheels. But the first thing I'm going to get started with that I do not care for with this kit, and this car I should say right now, is my turn radius is absolutely shot. So if you look right here, you can actually see my wheel is fairly straight, and I literally have this wheel turned. Like, look at it. Right? So goes about that far, and then it starts rubbing. It's like rubbing pretty, I can already feel it. That would be the point where it starts rubbing right there. So if I was smarter, I should say, or had more experience, it probably would have gotten slightly smaller wheels, but then again the fitment would be exactly the same. But either way, the turn radius is shot, especially because if you can't see right here, my tire is shredded from rubbing, which I think something in here, I really can't figure it out what I'm rubbing on, but that's definitely an issue and something I really hate, because these are kind of expensive tires and it sucks to see them in this condition, especially when I'm trying to show off the car, but hey, whatever. So that's definitely one of them, right? Second one, my second big issue, it's still kind of like on the, I guess, the same topic with the wheels and stuff like that, but come around here. Now the second thing I'm not liking is the fact that there are no weather guards. Everything in the engine bay is exposed, the elements. So another reason why I didn't drive it in the wintertime, because I didn't want all that salt and everything on the road getting in there. But because there are no weather guards of any sort, since this is all exposed in here, I don't think these hinges were meant to be exposed to the weather like that. So I could already see some rusting in there, which I'm gonna have to spray and possibly repaint some shit. But yeah, I don't want to get that. I don't want to damage this hinge, this vertical door setup, so definitely gonna need to figure out something with that ASAP, right? Now, the next thing that I hate about this body kit, and this one actually kind of is about the kit specifically, is it gets so damn dirty. Like, it's dirty. So pretty much this car loves to pick up everything, partially because of the tires that I got too, but these little arrow pieces down here, I've been calling them the ashtray, right? So everything gets inside here, which you can already see some crap, and I already tried cleaning it out. Picks up all the gravel, picks up all the dirt. There's literally cigarette butts in there sometimes, hence the name, the ashtray. But even in here, it's kind of hard to see. Put the camera in there, I'll have to get up in the dark. But inside of there, all gravel, bunch of bullshit, picks up everything, and it like literally stores it inside there like a shelf. So definitely not a big fan of that. Plus, I know a lot of 86 owners can relate to this, that this part of the car always seems to like hold dirt and dust and everything. Now it's this down here. This literally is always dusty, always got crap on it, dirt. So these arrow pieces over here always got crap on them, or like little rocks like this stuck inside, all inside down here. Yeah, it's kind of a shitty situation, but honestly, that's another thing. So that's another thing that I do not like about the car, is that the kit, I should say, is these arrow pieces. Now, I like the way they look. Obviously, it's not really, I don't like track the car or race it or anything, so it's not really for function, more for aesthetic appearance. But at the same time, it's like, causing so many issues, especially with the doors, like the vertical doors. You know what I'm saying? If you guys didn't watch my other video with the vertical doors, I've been having some issues with bashing. Well, I haven't done it since, but I still did it right off the bat and kind of ruined it. But bashing these aero pieces with the door. So, I don't know. It's been kind of a nightmare. I guess I shouldn't say nightmare. That's kind of being dramatic, but it's been more issues that I've been wanting to deal with, and now I gotta be super careful with the doors every time I put them up. So that is what it is. So my next issue that I have with this kit, they sent me some pretty bunk hardware too, and I'm like, yo, I'm paying a decent amount for this kit. How are you just gonna send me some crap? So look at it. I literally got just screws over here holding this in. Now, I know most people upgrade their hardware anyway, but like it looks like crap right now to me. So I'm definitely thinking about some Downstar hardware. Let's see, something relatively soon because I gotta change this up. I'm lucky that they haven't started getting rusty and shit, but that's definitely one of the issues. And of course, one of my other issues that I have is down here, right? So it's already happening right here. So these clips, don't want to stay bent in. I've bent them down and taken this bumper off for people to do it, and they don't seem to want to stay bent in. Secondly, they're getting rusty. It looks like trash. I'm gonna have to paint that, plastic it or something. I don't know why only a couple of them are doing that, but it's happening, and I don't know why they keep bending back up. So that's kind of something I've been dealing with. Again, it's not a major issue, but still, it's like something I don't have to deal with. And a very, obviously it's like first world problems, but the attention sometimes that I get with this car is like a little, not really annoying, but sometimes depending on the situation, like if I'm like hungover or like beat or something like that and I'm not trying to interact with anyone or talk to anyone, I just want to go get coffee or do something, just go to the store and back, like I can't leave the house without someone to come up to me and talk to me about the car, which is awesome, and that's why I built it, to grab attention, but at the same time it is my daily for right now, and it kind of sucks that I literally can't do anything with this car without having to interact with someone about it. And most of the time it's not even car people, it's just somebody who's like, what is that? Is that a Lamborghini? Is that a Ferrari? What is that? Which honestly I hear Porsche more often than not. What? But hey, I'll take it as a compliment, and like I said, I built the car to get attention anyway, so that's not really an issue, but it can be depending on the situation. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So those are my issues with the car, which obviously is not that much, but I figured I'd do a quick little video either way, kind of just like let you guys know what I've been kind of dealing with and some of the issues I've had. But like I said, it's not really much, and it definitely is worth it to get the body kit. And if you are going for that attention, this is gonna get you the attention every single time. Like when I go out to shows, there's always a crowd of people around my car, or a ton of pictures taken of it, which I love, you know, seeing myself on videos and shit like that. So, and it's pretty awesome, and obviously the color is gonna, you know, help a lot too. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So I'll catch you guys when I get back to the house. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm back inside, and I completely forgot one of the points that I was going to make when I was out there, which is the scraping. Now, I scrape on everything, which is, you know, that's again my fault, user error, because I don't have to be as low as I am. I'm on TN, Flex Z coilover slammed all the way down. Even though I still have a pretty big wheel gap, I am slammed on coilovers. But because of that, I scrape only my rear diffuser on everything. Like, it'll barely even be a bump. And I'll be like fucking scraping the back of the thing out. So the scraping there is pretty bad. Also, I'll hit like barely any bumps at all, or just like a slight like uneven surface in the road, and my wheels will scrape and hit the inside of the wheel well in there, where like I don't think we cut enough. That could be on us, but I'll hear it bang like crazy, and then I'll start smelling like freaking burnt rubber, and it's a mess. But the rear diffuser, mainly the major thing that I scrape on. Like I'll come out of like barely any of like an incline at all, or a decline I should say, and I'll be like leaving like the convenience store or something, and you're like, bro. I mean, you can't see anything because it's all like obviously on the underside of the car, luckily, but it is what it is. So that's one thing I forgot to mention when I was out there. But Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little video, let you guys know what the hell's been going on, especially if you're out there considering getting this kit. Just, it's something to keep in mind, especially when you're trying to get your wheels and your suspension and everything all set up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So thank you, as always, for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's gonna be it for today. So take it sleazy, and I'm out. Peace.